There's lots of planets to look out for at the moment, and you might have heard that Mars has hit the headlines. And why is that? Why is Mars so special at the moment? Well, on the 13th of October, it reaches opposition. What does that mean? It means that it's coming the closest approach to us this year. So it's going to be about 62 million kilometres away from Earth. Opposition means it's going to be due south at about midnight, and it's going to be on the opposite side of Earth to the Sun. That means that the Sun, the Earth and Mars all line up together. So therefore it's the best time to actually see Mars. We've been seeing it for ages at the moment, so don't think you've got to rush out on the 13th and go and see it, and that's it. You're not going to see it again, because that's not going to happen. It's going to be with us for a little while longer. You can't actually miss Mars because it is quite red. We know it's the red planet because it's got all the iron oxide in its soil, so it looks a little bit rusty. But it does, to our eye, look very red, and it's very bright. It's even brighter than planet Jupiter at the moment as well, because it's so close to us. And it's in the constellation of Pisces. Now, Pisces you will find from the great square of Pegasus. And if you look at the square of Pegasus, it almost points like an arrow to Pisces, and then you'll see bright Mars sitting there looking at you. It's not difficult to see. Venus is a very bright planet. I've not actually seen it yet because I'm not a morning person. If you're a morning person, Venus is coming up at about 4 a.m. and looking really, really bright. So much brighter than Mars, so much brighter than Jupiter at the moment, glowing like a beacon in the morning sky. On the 14th of October, if you are an early bird and you do see Venus rising up over the horizon, you'll see it rising with a very thin crescent moon, which will look absolutely superb. So go and have a look if you can. You may have noticed Jupiter and Saturn. They've been with us for a while now, but don't leave it too long if you haven't seen them, because they are going quickly towards the western horizon, and they'll be setting by about 8 p.m. by mid-November. So as I say, don't leave it too late before you go out and have a good look at them. Get some binoculars on them. They look pretty cool. If you've got binoculars, hold on to something steady, a friend's shoulder or a gatepost or something like that, and make your binoculars steady. You may even be able to see some of the moons of Jupiter. It's a really important year for Jupiter and Saturn. I don't know if you've noticed, they've been around for a while, haven't they? And they're coming across the southern sky, but they're actually getting a little bit closer and a little bit closer. Now on the 21st of December this year, they're going to be really close. We call this conjunction, and it's quite a rare event for Jupiter and Saturn. Now, we hope, fingers crossed, we'll be able to see it, because the sun is setting at 4 p.m. on the 21st of December, and they actually disappear out of the night sky at 6 p.m. So we've got a very, very small window of opportunity to see this phenomenal conjunction. But keep fingers crossed, we've got a good, clear sky as well, and we'll be able to see it.